To our comprehensive guide on understanding the technical aspects of your camera. Today, we'll break down crucial terms to help you master your photography and videography skills. Let's start with aperture. This term refers to the opening within the lens that controls the amount of light entering the camera. A wider aperture, represented by a smaller f-stop number like f/1.8, allows more light and creates a shallow depth of field. This is perfect for portraits, emphasizing the subject while blurring the background. Conversely, a narrower aperture, indicated by a larger f-stop number like f/16, lets in less light, resulting in a larger depth of field ideal for landscapes, ensuring sharpness from foreground to background. Next, shutter speed determines how long the camera's shutter remains open, controlling motion in your images. A fast shutter speed freezes action, great for capturing fast-moving subjects or sports, ensuring sharpness. On the other hand, a slower shutter speed allows more light and introduces motion blur, which can convey a sense of movement or create artistic effects. Now, let's discuss ISO, which measures the camera sensor sensitivity to light. A lower ISO setting, such as ISO 100, produces cleaner and sharper images in good lighting conditions. However, in low-light situations, increasing the ISO, like ISO 800 or higher, helps capture brighter images, but it might introduce more digital noise or grain. Lastly, white balance adjusts the colors in your photos or videos to ensure accurate representation under different lighting conditions. For instance, setting the white balance to daylight delivers accurate colors under sunlight, while tungsten compensates for warm indoor lighting. Understanding these technical terms gives you the creative control to capture stunning moments and tell compelling visual stories. Experimenting with these settings will elevate your photography and videography skills.